In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in DocuSign. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started right away. First, let's set the scene by making sure you're logged into your DocuSign account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, the goal is to navigate to your profile settings. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon or photo is located and click on it. This will give you a drop-down menu, and your next task is to select the Manage Profile option from this menu. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage and customize your account settings. On the Profile Management page, look for the option labeled Signatures. DocuSign provides you with the ability to manage multiple signatures, which is particularly useful if you need different signatures for different contexts or roles. Once you locate the Signatures section, click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of adding a new signature. You'll see an option to Add Signature, which you need to click on. This will open up a new window where you will have several options to add your signature. But the option we're focusing on today is Draw. Selecting Draw allows you to create a personalized signature by using your mouse or a stylus on a touchpad. Now, this might feel a bit like trying to draw on paper, except you're doing it in a digital space, so get comfortable, take a deep breath, and start drawing your signature. It's perfectly fine if it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. This is your digital autograph after all, so make it something that you're happy with. Once you're satisfied with the way it looks, you'll need to confirm your creation by clicking on Create. By clicking Create, you're telling DocuSign that this is the signature you want to add to your account. And that's it. You've successfully added a new signature to your DocuSign profile. Anytime you need to sign a document, your signature will be ready to use at a moment's notice. This not only expedites the signing process, but also makes your interactions with contracts and official documents much more efficient. Remember, you can return to your signature settings at any time to make further adjustments or additions if needed. Having this feature at your disposal can prove incredibly convenient, especially when you need to tailor signatures for different occasions or types of documents. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the convenience of signing documents digitally with your new DocuSign signature.